Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Just a reminder, after watching our tutorial, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our website for more in-depth WordPress and page builder tutorials. All right, now on to today's video. Hey, welcome to this mega tutorial series. In this multi-part guide, we're going to teach you how to build a tiered membership site with Bricks Builder. We are going to have two types of membership, one being free, one being paid. And so in this specific video, we are going to show you how to go through the initial steps of building your sign-up form for your membership site. So to control our membership access, we're going to be using a very popular plugin called Paid Memberships Pro, or PM Pro for short. It's free. It will give us everything we need to set up our membership site for free. But just a heads up though, you won't be able to find the plugin in the plugin repository in your admin dashboard because they took your plugin out of the WordPress repository after the whole, WordPress versus WP engine drama. So if you want to actually download the plugin directly, just go to your site, paidmembershipspro.com. So there are many options, of course, for creating a sign-up form. You could always use the Bricks native form builder, which offers a lot of options in terms of fields you could choose. We created a video tutorial on how to use Bricks form element, and we'll link it in the description box and info box in video. But you could also use dedicated forms plugins like WP Forms or Gravity Forms. They're super powerful, and you could make a sign-up form with those. Those are fine, but because we are using Paid Membership Pro to do a membership site already, it just makes sense to use Paid Membership Pro's sign-up form because it just offers better flow and integration with what we're wanting to build with the tiered membership system and payment gateways and all that. So yeah, we're going to use that. So now that that's all out of the way, let's get started with the actual tutorial itself, okay, of building a sign-up form for a membership site with Bricks Builder and Paid Memberships Pro. Okay, so first, make sure your Bricks is activated, and then install Paid Memberships Pro by uploading the plugin to your WordPress dashboard and installing it. Okay, so now that you have installed, let's create your membership levels. So you need your membership levels to let the user choose whether they want a paid or free membership. So to do that, just go here to membership levels and then add new level and then set the price for each level and then save. Okay, so now let's go to actually creating a sign up form itself. So when you install the Paid Memberships Pro plugin, it automatically creates a sign-up page. It's the membership checkout page. That's the default membership checkout page. But if you don't want to use that, you could use create your own sign-up page and then just use the shortcode that's provided by Paid Membership Pro to put into the page that you create, and or embed the sign-up form for you. Now, both options allow you to edit and design the sign-up page in Bricks Builder. But for me, I like to leave the membership checkout page alone. I don't want to touch any default designs, and I want to create my own sign-up page design and then just embed the sign-up form in there. That's my personal preference, but you could do what you want to do. So to check out what the default memberships checkout page looks like, go here and then go to Pages and then go to Membership Checkout and View Page. And then once you click on View Page, you could click Edit with Bricks Builder, and then you'll be able to edit the design with Bricks Builder while also safeguarding the sign-up form. Now, the other method is creating a page called Sign Up. Hey, if you're still watching this video, please do us a huge, huge favor and press the like button so that we could keep making these tutorials for you. Okay, all right, back to the video. And then you could actually design the page however you want, and then just go ahead and embed the short code for the sign up form into that page. So you might be wondering, so how do I actually customize the form fields of the sign up form? Well, to do that, you will just go ahead and install the Paid Memberships Pro custom fields add-ons here to make it happen. Also, if you want to change how the form fields look or like the actual form itself, you could definitely tweak the design with some custom CSS. And so remember that we're doing a tiered membership site. So there's going to be a free membership option. There's going to be a paid membership option. So if you're charging, there's obviously an optional step if you're charging. So accept your payment settings. Go to payment settings here and then choose either PayPal or Stripe. These are two options at this point for PM Pro. And so at this point, you probably want to follow the instructions of whichever platform you're going to use to process payments. So you ensure that you have the webhooks, API secret keys, and whatever else you need. And both PayPal and Stripe offer a sandbox environment for you to test your payment to see if it will work before you test it on, a live credit card or a live membership account. Right? So you want to test in sandbox first. But again, this is not a video about setting up payment processing. This is a video about setting up your sign up form. So we won't touch. I'm a fan of details of payment processing. All right. So next, and probably the last important thing that you have to do is set up the email for transactional notifications that are going to be sent to people that sign up to your site. Right. So PM Pro could actually handle transactional emails without any additional plugins or any settings. But if you find out your emails aren't going through, then you can sign up for more dedicated transactional email plugins like WP Mail SMTP, which, of course, then you could integrate with your email marketing software like SendGrid or MailChimp. So, the one drawback about using the default email option that PM Pro uses is that it doesn't automate adding the emails to your email marketing software like a plugin like WP Mail SMTP does. So anyway, to set up your emails, go ahead to go membership and go to email settings. And then there you can customize the email members will get for different actions like confirming your membership or sending renewal reminders. In the email templates tab, you could actually change templates of the emails sent to. There are also add-ons that you could add through the add-ons tab for PM Pro that lets you do different things with emails. And there you have it. So once you set up your membership levels, design and set up your sign-up form, design and set up your sign-up page, set up payment processing, and set up your transactional emails. Now it's time to run through that whole sign-up process to make sure everything works and runs smoothly. Okay. So that's it for this part of the tutorial. Okay. And in the future video, we will go through how to create a members dashboard because that's pretty important for a personalized experience and a place where your members could go to edit or modify their account. Okay. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified of when that video comes out. All right. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. And I hope you pressed that thumbs up button by now. And we'll see you in the next video. Okay. Thank you. Bye.